starring the Florida Man.
And modern problems require modern solutions.
Nakarada, Hattorika, Nakaruga, Kosalto! Nakano Shinji Kosalto!さあ、サントリーコーナー再び並びかけたサイドバイサイドまだサイドバイサイド中野か服部か中野か中野真二コンサルト
You gotta be kidding.
And of course, Florida Man.
How many lights are there?
What lights?
I got it! I got it!
This is quite simply the coolest car ever made.
A beautiful, beautiful move.
Mate, you can't park there, sir.
You twat!
That's fucking illegal.
Oh, good job!
Tailgating danger caught on tape. Keep your eye on these two cars. It's tailgating in the extreme.
What a brilliant move.
Running a solid red right there. There, another solid red light he just blew through.
The Audi TT on Wish.com. The Mini is truly an icon. The most British car of all time.
That's unbelievable. Oh, this is just getting ridiculous now. That is insane. Look at the angle of the front tyre, ladies and gentlemen. That was incredible. How does he do it? Completely ridiculous. Absolutely insane. That was outrageous.
A few moments later.
And now you can say you're fired.
So let's see what he does. Okay, busted through the red light.
Classic. Awesome.
Knight Rider.
Come on! Go!
Nah, I'm on the phone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, there's no traffic. The light's green. But hold on. Slow down, everyone! Calm down! It's not a race! Stop rushing!
Just driving very erratically, at times very fast, very unpredictably, and causing a danger to a lot of the commuters that are on the road with him. But he is going to try and do his best to weave through some of this slower traffic. Look at that, straddling lanes, trying to get through some of this slower traffic.
God damn it!
And you wanted that lane anyway. Oh! What the fuck are you doing, Norbert?
Is that a Supra?
Hell yeah!
Nine.
Okay.
Hey, I'm walking here!
Hey, I'm walking here.
You should have waited.
I think it's disgusting. I think he's disgusting, and I never want to see him ever again.
It's fact.
Thank you.
Oopsie whoopsie.